Hi Glow Babe, welcome back to the channel. If you are new here, my name is Estalia, and today I'm going to share with you exactly how to get clear skin naturally at home. And guess what? It won't cost you a thing. That's right. No fancy product, no trip to the store, just natural home-based method that actually works. Stick around because by the end of this video, you will know everything you need to start your clear skin journey with. Before we get into the ingredients, it's super important to understand your skin. Everyone's skin is different: dry, oily, combination, or sensitive. The clearer your understanding of your skin type, the better your results. So here are how to do a quick test to know your skin type. Wash your face with plain water, pat dry, and wait 30 minutes. If your skin feels tight, then you have dry skin. If there's oil on your T-zone from your forehead to your nose here, then you have combination skin. If it is shiny all over, then you have oily skin. If it turns red or itchy, then your skin is sensitive. Knowing your skin types helps you choose the right natural ingredient that will work for you. So in this video, I'm going to go step by step. Like, I'm going to section everything for us to understand it very well. So here, let's understand the power of water. This might sound too simple, but water is your best friend. Drink at least 8 to 10 glasses a day. Rinse your face with cool water 2 to 4 times daily. No soap needed every time. Avoid hot water. It strips away your skin natural oil. Clear skin starts with internal hydration and external care. Now let's dive into face cleansing without product. And no cleanser, no problem. Using ingredients from your kitchen. And these are some few ingredients you can use in washing your face or cleaning your face. Oats and water. Mix into a paste and gently massage it on your face. Then rinse it off. It exfoliates and smooths the skin. Also, if you have raw honey available, you can use that one too on your face, which is natural, antibacterial, and hydrating. Or simply wash with plain lukewarm water and pat dry with clean towel. Always use clean hands. Bacteria from hands is equal to breakouts. Now, let's talk about the natural exfoliation. Exfoliating removes dead skin cells and helps unclog pores. Try this no-cost method. No cost though, which is sugar and lemon juice if available. Kindly mix it, gently scrub 1 to 2 times a week. Or just a damp washcloth can act as a gentle exfoliator. Don't overdo it. 1 to 2 times a week is enough. Now let's drop down to steaming of face. Steaming helps open pores and flush out impurities. Simply boil water. Place your face over the bowl with a towel covered your head. Steam for 5 to 7 minutes. Rinse with cool water. You can do this once a week. And also add a bit of mint in if you have it. Now let's talk about natural face masks at no cost. Here are a few masks you can make from things at home. Banana mask. Mash half a ripe banana and apply for 15 minutes. 2. You can use turmeric plus water paste. Great for acne and brightening. Potato juice. Apply for 10 minutes to reduce marks and pigmentation. Cucumber slice. Reduce puffiness and hydrates the skin. Rinse masks with lukewarm water and pat dry. So if you can choose any of these methods, then you rinse with lukewarm water and pat dry. Also, mind your hands and pillowcase. Do not touch your face unnecessarily. Change your pillowcase every 2 to 3 days. It builds up oil and bacteria, so we need to be changing it at least every 2 to 3 days to avoid these bacteria. And also wipe your phone screen too. Trust me, it matters, because we don't know where our hands are touched. Most of us are always on our phones. We don't know what our hands has picked. These small habits can stop major breakouts. Now, natural skincare isn't just what you put on your face, it is how you live. Get at least 7 to 8 hours of sleep. Your skin repairs while you sleep. De-stress. Stress equals to hormonal breakouts. So when you are stressed, you start breaking out. Exercise. Sweating helps clear pores. Even walking also helps. Eat fresh fruits and veggies when you can. There you have it, a full natural skincare routine that costs you nothing, just water and good habits and a little consistency. If you find this video helpful, please hit that like button, subscribe if you haven't already, and let me know in the comments which tip you will try first, or share your own remedy. I'd love to hear it. Thanks for watching, and I will see you in the next video. Stay glowing and take care. Catch you in my next one. Bye bye.